COVID-19 vaccine were made available today and your doctor called and said that you could take it, would you be one of the first to take the vaccine?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, I would.
I would.
No.
No, I wouldn't.
No.
I'll probably say yes.
I would say yes.
Yeah, I would take it.
The history of untested medicine is not in favor of me taking that shot first.
Being hesitant to take a vaccine is nothing new. Michael Hokinson is the public information officer with the North Central Health District.
We know that with the COVID-19 vaccine, because it is such a novel vaccine for a novel illness, there is likely to be a higher amount of vaccine hesitancy.
And it appears that some groups of people are more hesitant than others. In fact, in a survey conducted by the Pew Research Center, only 42% of Black participants said they would take the COVID-19 vaccine, as compared to 61% of Caucasian participants.
What's fair to say is that people of color are more suspicious and not trusting of medical science because of its past history.
Dr. Chester Fontenot is the director of Africana Studies at Mercer University. He says a checkered past with the medical field, like the Tuskegee experiment, is to blame. That was a government-sanctioned study that allowed hundreds of Black men to suffer with syphilis unknowingly. It lasted for 40 years, officially ending in the early 1970s.
That was horrible. It was inhumane. It was racist. No question about it. But we're not in 1972 now. This is 2020.
Checks and balances in the medical field, Fontenot says, should offer at least some comfort and help the community rebuild trust in the government, a community that is getting hit disproportionately hard by COVID-19.
We do have some people who have integrity, who have been involved in this process of producing this vaccine.
The FDA says it has rigorous scientific and regulatory processes underway to ensure that the vaccine is safe. Still, Hokinson says an informed decision is the best decision.
Before you make your final decision, look at all the research that's going to be put out once a version of the vaccine is approved. Talk with your primary care physician to see what the expectations are and how the vaccine may interact with you.
And I do know that when I get the call to say that, okay, your demographic is next in line, I'm going to be near the front of that line.
With the Center for Collaborative Journalism, I'm Amir Makupson.